Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I uploaded, and this video is going to be a bit advanced, um, because in this video we're going to be talking about a multi-layered neural network. However, I'm not really going to be going too in-depth into it. I just actually have a sample code here, and I'm just going to basically tell you what each line does. I'm not going to really get into what every thing in each line of code is actually supposed to mean. You can just use the code I made as a reference and adjust the values as needed, or um, go look at other videos or Google stuff up for further research. But overall, the video I'm going to show is just for a brief overview and introduction into neural networks. But basically, I included a bunch of different libraries over here. And after that, um, I imported a file containing or a data set from a file. And well, what I'm really looking for here is just judging the quality of wine. That's the end goal. Hence why the file name is wine quality sample binary. And then what I did here, see, label is kind of like the end goal I want to reach. Like the label column is kind of like the end goal. And all the columns other than quality and label are, for example, pH value, wine color, etc., are all like all the data or stuff that we're calculating to get to the label, and those are going to be my x and y that I'm going to be putting into my train test split, which basically trains the machine and puts the values or the results of the training into these variables. Then this is I'm just scaling the values. You don't really need to scale them, but it's better if you do. Just, or I did it because it's a force of habit, but like you can skip it out if you want, unless your values are extremely large, then you might need to scale them. And then after that, if you see over here, this MLP classifier, or MLP is equal to MLP classifier, parentheses and layer, etc. That's basically what I use to create my multi-layer neural network. Um, Mainly, for the hidden layers or hidden layer sizes that I put here, I want the values to be multiples of 16 and random and max iterations. It's basically the amount of times this thing just runs over and over. And then after that, you put mlp.fit and you put the scaled version of xtrain or just xtrain, and you put ytrain. Then after that, this ypredict here, that's just basically me finding out the predictions. And over here, I just printed out classification reports based on, everything, all based on everything. And essentially, the main variables that are really going to be used to find out your classification report that you're going to put into your MLP classifier to create your neural network are the ones up here in the train test split. Then after that, the classification report and the accuracy score that I created are over here. And yeah, that's basically the general overview of what the basic code for a neural network would look like. Just use what I made as a reference. Again, it's better if you do some more research on your own. But yeah, I hope this could be of help for any of you that are trying to get into this. And if you enjoyed this video or if you found it helpful, I hope you like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. This channel is, if you didn't notice, it's not doing very well. So great if you could support it. And yeah, that's all. I'll see you all next video.